What's up guys? Dennis here, and I can't believe more people don't know about this Android feature. We're diving into private DNS mode, and trust me, it's a game changer for your online privacy. It's like giving your data a bulletproof vest against hackers and snoops. So what's the deal with private DNS? When you're browsing or using apps, your phone's constantly making DNS queries, like asking for directions to websites. Normal DNS is kind of like shouting these questions in public. Private DNS? It's more like a secret code that only trusted servers understand. Let's set this up real quick. Open your settings app and tap on Network and Internet. Look for Private DNS. It might be hiding in the Advanced section. Choose Private DNS Provider Hostname, and type in dns.google or another trusted provider. Hit save and bam! Your Android's now running a stealth mode for DNS. It literally takes less than a minute, and your online life just got way more secure. How cool is that? If you found this helpful, smash that subscribe button for more tech tips. Don't forget to hit that notification bell too.